Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today it could be the third episode of Google Chat applications tutorial, and here I will like to show you the way how you can start a new chat, a new message in Google Chat application. You must be wondering how do you do that. So first thing you have to do is just open the application and log in with the account. If you are still confused how the way you can log in with the account on the Google Chat, you can just check into the episode 2 from this Google Chat series only in this channel. So here is the appearance. If you want to create a new chat, just take a look on this button feature. There could be a bubbles with a green color and a plus button there. Just go tap it, and now they'll bring you into this option. Now you just need to find the person's or the friend's address that you want to chat to. So as I told you in the first video or first episode of the series, so this application could be synced with the Google account. So you just need to add your friends with their Google account or your Gmail address. So here I would to use my previous friends here, and you just need to tap it. The next, they will bring you into the room chat. Now, after you got this room chat, you just need to type into this history is on right here, and then you just need to type something that you want to say. Hey, let's grab a coffee. I said to my friend, and after that you can just go tap send. And now you're done, you just need to wait until your friends reply your message. For the next video, I will like to give you another tutorial, which is like how the way you can pin the important message or chat on the Google Chat, so you will not get missed all of the chats that you want to keep there. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. If you still request for some tutorial, just drop into the comment section. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you can get an update for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you for the next tutorial.